Hi everyone, I'm Jimmy. Have you ever noticed when you're upset or frustrated, you automatically find yourself thumping your chest and somehow it actually feels a little better? You might wonder, is that just in your head or just a random habit? Actually, it's neither. Just like your stomach growls when you're hungry or your mouth gets dry when you're thirsty, your body is sending you a signal, and there's a reason behind it. Let's dive in. Right here in the center of your chest is a special spot in traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM. It's called the Shanzhong point. In TCM, acupressure points like Shanzhong are thought to connect with your body's energy, often called qi. The Shanzhong point is sometimes known as the gateway of breath, and is considered a key energy center of your chest. There's an old saying in TCM, the more you understand the Shanzhong point, the more you'll value it. Today, let's explore why that is and how you can use it to support your well-being. So, what exactly is the Shanzhong point? According to TCM texts, Shanzhong, also called Ren 17, is right at the midpoint of your chest, along the line between your nipples. It's the spot where several important energy pathways, or meridians, cross paths. This makes it one of the most important points for chest, heart, and lung wellness in TCM. Now, let's talk about what it can do for you. First, Shanzhong is known as an energy outlet. In Chinese, it's even called the Sea of Qi. Imagine your body is like a balloon. If the air inside gets stuck, you feel tense or bloated. The Shanzhong point is thought to help release pent-up energy and restore flow. If you've ever had trouble digesting food, felt bloated, or had a tight feeling in your chest, try this simple massage technique. You can be sitting or standing. Using your thumb, gently press on your chest at the Shanzhong point. Start with light pressure and slowly increase it. Count silently to 10 as you hold, then release. Repeat this for about 5 minutes. If you have a friend to help, it's even better. While your friend presses the point, lift your arms as you inhale and lower them as you exhale. This can help with relaxation and energy flow. You might find this method especially helpful if you get chest tightness when you're stressed, feel emotionally stuck, or feel physically tired after just a short walk. Another traditional use of the Shanzhong point is to support heart wellness. In fact, during CPR, chest compressions, hands are placed right over this spot. In TCM, it's described as a protector of the heart, believed to help shield and strengthen it. If you notice mild soreness or sensitivity when you press this area, it's a signal to pay a little more attention to your self-care. Before we talk further about how to massage the point for heart support, I would like to encourage you to download a free ebook that I've compiled the core diagnostic wisdom into a quick, actionable resource for you. The 5-minute TCM Constitution Quick Guide. This free guide helps you immediately identify your dominant type and gives you 3 personalized fixes you can start using right now. Whether you need to boost qi, maybe by massaging ST36, clear dampness, SP9/ST40, or soothe your liver. If you are serious about moving from generic advice to personalized healing, this is where you start. Click the link in the description right now to grab your free guide. Okay, let's go back to massage the point for heart support. Sit comfortably. With your thumb, massage the Shanzhong point in a gentle, clockwise motion. Try this in the morning and evening, 3 to 5 minutes each time. If it feels tender, go at your own pace and use a comfortable pressure. Some people may feel relaxed and less anxious with regular practice. But remember, if you experience serious symptoms like palpitations or severe chest pain, always seek help from a medical professional. Now let's look at one more benefit, helping with circulation and clearing what TCM calls blockages. There's an old saying, when energy and blood flow freely, the body feels its best. When things get stuck, problems can arise like chest tightness, shortness of breath, or even trouble focusing. To promote better circulation, you can try the open chest massage technique. Place both hands, one over the other, on the Shanzhong point. Slowly glide your hands downward from your chest to your lower abdomen, then return to the starting point. Repeat this movement for 5 to 10 minutes at a time. This follows the pathway of the Ren meridian, Another important concept in TCM, gentle massage here may support your body's natural flow of energy, help you feel more awake, and even support healthy skin and digestion over time. Just a quick reminder, if you have a fresh injury or fracture in your chest, skip this practice and talk to your doctor first. So, these are some simple, time-tested ways to support your chest center using the wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine. Give them a try, listen to your body, and see how you feel. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share with friends who might benefit too. Thanks for watching. Here's to your well-being.